Hey guys, it's Nik the Booksmith. Welcome back, welcome back. I have been collecting florals and leaves and botanicals and all kinds of stuff all summer long. So I thought I would do a little bit of eco printing, just a little homage to the year. I have these metal plates and I'm going to squish everything between these plates. The paper that I'm going to be using is 140-pound watercolor paper that I dipped in alum, and I also added some tea, some black tea to the mixture just for a little bit of tannin. Just kind of threw that in there. Easy as that. Easy peasy. I have two roaster pans from the dollar store, and they weren't $1, sadly, but they were super cheap. And I figured I can use these for eco dyeing if I want and turn them into a little steamer, and I can put this in the oven or cook it outside on a hot plate or something. These leaves that went kind of a navy blue with the green, these are gorgeous. This is what they looked like on the opposite side. So pretty dark. These are choke cherry. So those turned out kind of pretty. And then on the back side of this one is some sumac, which is the mate to this one. And then this one had Virginia creeper on this side. So that's really pretty. And this one's kind of cool. So this was the back, you know, the mirror image of it. And this was just a leafy, like a honey locust. And then these long, grassy looking things over here were pine needles. This right here was the lid to an old gas can. And it says, I'd have to go get the lid. Fill and vent opening is what it says. But it kind of shows up there. I thought that was kind of cool. And then on the back is the mirror image of this one, which were the wild geranium. And on this side, these were the oaks that did so well. And these are the buckeye leaves. Pretty, pretty. And these are roses, which this is the mirror image to the roses. And then on this side, what was this? I know these were viburnum. These were some Russian sage down here. And then this was just some miscellaneous stuff that I had found in the park. And that's the mirror image of it. There's a maple leaf, and these were coreopsis down here. And these gray stripedy things, those were lavender. And then this yellow right here, this was a penstemon. And then there's the mirror image of that one. And these were eucalyptus. I wanted to do them flat and not folded so that I could fold them later if I chose to, which I probably will because I think I'm going to make a book out of it, but I wasn't sure. Also the fact that if you fold it before you submerge it in the hot water, that will break down the fibers at the fold and make the fold weaker. At least that's my theory. That's my theory. I really like the choke cherries. When I first took these out of the water, I thought, holy moly, those are super, super dark. But I kind of dig them. I like how some of them, I must have flipped them over and I meant to face them all in the same direction, but obviously I didn't. But I love the outline. That is kind of wicked cool. Love that. All right. So these will turn into a book. These pages are so hefty that you could print photographs and intersperse them, especially like little ones. They'd be awesome. But I will show you what I'm going to do with these papers.